I'm Amy Moreno, and today we're taking you into the work zone for the Revive I-5 project. Contractor crews are replacing expansion joints on southbound I-5 between I-90 and Spokane Street. It's Saturday morning and the work is well underway. Crews have been out here since last night. They spend hours cutting away and removing expansion joints, some of them as old as the freeway itself. It's difficult, tedious work that requires workers with special skills. They're working on 6 joints this weekend, and while crews still cut away at one spot, they're putting in a new joint up ahead. After they place the joint into the roadway, the brackets are set and they weld rebar. Next, they sandblast, and then it's time to pour concrete. Once they know the concrete is set on all the joints they're working on that weekend, they finish clearing the work area and the road is back open. We salute these workers who this summer turn the state's busiest roadway into their workspace nearly every weekend as we try to improve your drive on I-5.